Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do a live unboxing of the iPhone X. Now I got this the other day. It is in 64GB capacity, and we'll have to find out what the colour is for ourselves. So without any further ado, excellent presentation on the box. Move that to one side. Now, let's see. It's so exciting, isn't it? Okay. Oh. Now, with all the newer iPhones, you get the information first. So we're going to have a quick look at that. Now, what you get in this little pamphlet is you get a quick start guide, which doesn't really tell you much. SIM ejector tool, warranty information, and damn it, Apple stickers. Move them to one side. Do you want to see the phone itself? I'll show you more of this in a second. Now, in the box you get the lightning to headphones and the little adapter, usual charger, and the charging brick. Now we're getting to headphones out, and as you can probably tell, I went for the silver. That's good. The notch doesn't actually bother me. I can barely see it. Let's turn it on for the first time. There we go. It's just taking a few minutes. Oh, hello to you as well. So with these new phones, because there's no home button, to get started you slide like this. Now it says no SIM card installed, so bear with me and I'll do that. So I'm in the United Kingdom, so we'll press that. And this is a really good size for the hand. It really is. Okay, I have to insert my SIM. Please bear with me. Continue on that. Oh, when you get this little... Bear with me, it just wants a password. Enter my information. Okay, join. That's currently putting in my Wi-Fi password. Being slow. Try again, I misspelled my password. I should have prepared. Yep, good. Hit next. Might take a few minutes to activate your new iPhone. Right, no, it definitely wants my SIM card. Pop that out. Put the SIM card back in. Hit try again. It's just activating, guys. Now we're on a new section for Face ID, and I will upload a separate video on this to actually show you how to do it for those that don't know. So hit continue. Okay, get started. Oh, there we go. First face scan complete. Next one. Oh, well, Face ID is now set up, so I'm now going to hit continue. Still setting up. While I'm waiting, I'm going to package all this back together. It still says it's setting up. I've never known an iPhone to take this long, as you can see. Finally. sign in. Choose we'll set up as okay. Set up as new iPhone. I think we're almost there, guys. Yeah, we're now on the terms and conditions page. Agree to that, otherwise I can't use it. Location services okay. Yep. Apple Pay will settle that up later. Siri we're going to set up later, because I just want to get to the home screen to show you all. Don't share. I'm going to go ahead, true tone. And to get to, oh, this is new. To get to the new home screen, you just have to, when it works, hit continue, continue. Yep. But now we're on the correct screen. You just swipe up to go home. And it's already telling me that there is a software update, so I'm now going to see what software version we're on. No, I don't want to set up Robert now. Oh, there we go. Hit about. And out the box on a 64GB device we get 54.74 gigabytes available to us. It's not bad. It's running 11.1, so that's going to have to do an update in a minute, but I'm going to do that in a separate video. But there we go. The iPhone 10 in silver. That's good. And to go home, swipe up. Even though I think it's slow, I don't think I can. I'll try and show you. But to multitask, no. Okay, let's just have the App Store for anyone's sake. Yep. Yep, allow. Right. To multitask, press and hold. To go between apps. To get rid of an app, just swipe up. Cool. And to get rid of an app completely, I don't know why they're putting this extra step, but you press and hold. I think. Yeah. Press and hold. And then you just swipe up the apps as normal. And there we go. That's my unboxing of the iPhone 10. If you liked it, please like the video and I'll do future videos on features such as, like I said,